How to get New York State tax transcript. Go to the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance website. Create an online services account if you do not have one. Verify your identity using a recent tax return or other tax document. Log into your online services account. Select the option to view or get a copy of your tax return. Choose the tax year 2025. Request a tax transcript for the selected year. Download or view the transcript online. Print a copy if needed for your records. If you filed a paper return, complete Form DTF-505. Mail the completed form to the address listed on the form. Wait to receive your tax transcript by mail or check your online account for the download. Thank you for watching.